Hello, it's time for another unboxing from GeekGear. It's the September box and it's the Harry Potter box, which is now called World of Wizardry instead of Harry Potter. But aside from that, it's still the same. So let's dive into it. Opening on the front. Whee. And then let's see. So on top here is the blue paper because I'm a Ravenclaw, but it's also a sticker with the dark mark, which is the theme for this box. Let's see it up close. Let's open up. So the first thing in here is the t-shirt that comes with every box. It's a different design every month, but there is a t-shirt. So let's open it. So it looks like this. So it's a black t-shirt with an Ollivander logo on the front, like a sign that would hang on the street. So yeah. So now I got the t-shirt on. Looks like this. I got the size medium, which fits me quite well. It's a bit loose, but I like it like that, so yeah. So now it's fall, so I'm probably gonna have a cardigan on top, but you can still see the logo and everything. And when it gets warmer in a few months, I'll just wear it like this. So yeah. And the next thing in here, which is really cool, is a wand. It's the Voldemort wand. Yeah, and there's a card attached to say certificate of authenticity. This one is an exact replica from Lord Voldemort. And on front back is the World of Wizard and the GeekGear stamp. So I'm gonna take it out of the box because how can I not? Like so. Oh yeah. So this is, I don't know what it's made of, but it's kind of heavy. So it's not like, you know, when you go to the toy store and it's like a cheap plastic, it's not like that. It feels like quality. And yeah, so it's like top and there's a black one. Yeah. And the next thing in here is tissue paper. I don't think it's anything in this, no. So, yeah. So, it's a World of Wizardry tea towel. Sadly, in the Muggle world, dishes don't clean and dry themselves, unless you're fortunate to have a dishwasher. But where's the fun in that? So yeah, it's a GeekGear exclusive, meaning that you can't get it anywhere else. So, oh yes. It looks like this. It says Hogwarts and have like a silhouette of a part of the castle. So yeah, that's the tea towel. Yeah, and the next thing in here is a pin, a button, which says proud to be a Ravenclaw, and there is the emblem from Pottermore. So yeah. I can put it on like a jacket or maybe like my satchel bag, but somewhere. Yeah. And next thing is a box. It has the Deathly Hallows symbol on the front, so maybe it relates to that, or maybe it's something entirely different. So let's see. Oh, yeah, it's a necklace with the Deathly Hallows symbol. If I can get it out of the bag. Like so. And there's the symbol, which the circle you can, it's a bit flexible, but it's not turning the whole way around. Or maybe it is. Yeah, it's just not spinning, it's just, you can push it around. Yeah. So that's it. Like so. Ooh, the next thing is the Marauders map. I'm gonna look into it and see what is on the inside. This is a really good box. I like everything so far. So yeah. Open up like so. And there it is. Flaps in the middle as well. So it's like the one you can get from the Noble collection, I guess, just smaller, and it's a different kind of texture. It's like, it's not like parchment, it's more like wax paper. Yeah, it has like a coat that make it feel like you could spill water on it and it would still just like slide up, which is good, so it don't get destroyed that easily. But I like it, it's really cool. I don't have a Marauders map, aside from one I made myself, but it's not as nice as this, so I like it. The next thing is an owl post envelope. It says it's an owl post service, and it says delivered to, and on the back is the Hogwarts logo, and inside is, oh wait, there are two envelopes in this one, and inside there are two pieces of paper, which is the Hogwarts letter. You know, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft, and the second page is like the equipment you will need, like your uniform and your course books. So, and I think it's the same thing in the other one. Yes, but they have like it says just there, and there is empty space like on the front. So like if you want to send a Hogwarts letter to your friend or someone in your family, you can use this and send it to them, and they will get it. So you can of course send one to yourself, but like if you want to be nice to someone, give them a surprise and invite them to Hogwarts. And the last thing in here is the print. Visit Azkaban Prison, home of the wizarding world's most dangerous witches and wizards. Looking like this. And there is also the booklet that informs about the things that comes in the box. And there is also the clue or hint for the next month's box, which I'm going to show you. So that's the things in this box. Is a lot of wonderful things. So far I like this box the best out of the two that I have received. Yeah, it's the print, and there's the tea towel, the badge, the Deathly Hallows necklace, the Marauders map, Voldemort's wand, 2 Hogwarts letters, and of course the t-shirt, and just, yeah, it feels like high quality and it's a good stuff, like things you actually want, like the Murder map and Voldemort wand. It's really cool to have, and yeah, I'm excited. So hoping that next month's box will be just as exciting, and I'll see you then. So bye!